Welcome back to the lecture series on problem solving using Python programming. This is M. Anbalagan. Through this video lecture, I am going to solve a problem converting the case of the given string from its lower case to the uppercase, and that too without using library function.
Upper.
Let me now magnify my Windows eyes so that we can see the problem statement here. This is going to be a Python program to change the case of the given string. If the entered string is something like this, if the entered string is going to be a computer um, with small letters, maybe I can expand the size of the screen. If the entered string is computer with all small letters, the program that we are going to write, it should output the same string with uppercase letters computer, and that too it must be done without using library functions. Let me now tell you the idea that I am going to apply here for solving this problem. There are plenty of other ways available to solve the same problem, but the way that I have chosen here for solving this problem is going to be by using some of the built-in functions that are there in Python. The two built-in functions that I'm going to use here are namely ORD. There is a function called ORD. This function helps us get the ASCII code or the Unicode of the given alphabet or any special character that we are going to enter here. For instance, for the letter capital A, if I want to know the ASCII code or the Unicode for, then I need to use the function called ORD. It is returning 65. So 65 is going to be the ASCII code for the character entered, that is capital A. We can also check it for the other letters. I am entering capital Z here. So for capital Z, it is going to return 90. For small letter A, it will be returning 97. And for small letter Z, it is going to return 122. So these are going to be either ASCII codes or Unicodes for the alphabets capital A, capital Z, small a and small z. So with this ASCII code only, with this ASCII code conversion only, we are going to approach the problem of conversion from doing the conversion from uppercase, lowercase to uppercase or vice versa. This is going to be the function number one. The second function that I am going to use here is going to be a function called the character. This is also a built-in function. So for this function character, if we give a numerical value, provided the numerical value that we will enter must be an ASCII code or Unicode. If that is the case, the function character will return us the corresponding alphabet. For example, here I am entering 65. For the ASCII code 65 or the Unicode 65, the character, the corresponding character equivalent is going to be capital letter A. Let me check it with the code 122 here. So it is returning small letter Z. So with these two functions only we are going to approach this problem of solving, of converting the given string from its lowercase to uppercase or vice versa without using library functions. Let me now go back to my Python file for approaching this problem. Okay, now the input string for this program must be accepted from the keyboard. So I'm going to introduce a variable called the string here. String is equal to input, the built-in function input of enter your string. So now this is going to be the prompt message, enter your string. Now the string is accepted. Now the string is ready for the conversion, ready for undergoing the conversion. So as per the problem statement that is given, the string must be entered by following a condition that the letters of the string should be in small letters or they must be in lowercase. We need to change them to the uppercase. So in order to iterate through the characters in the given string, how to use a for loop. So I'm using a for loop here for a character ch in my given string. I'm checking for the for any character ch in the given string. What I'm going to do here is let me now introduce a resultant string for storing the result. So it should be R string. I'm going to name this R string. R string is equal to an empty string. So this string will be grown as and when every character of this original string is checked or converted from lowercase to uppercase. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to have something called a temporary variable called the code, which is going to store the corresponding ASCII code of a particular character or the current character. So for that I'm using the function ord. Ord of the character is going to be ch. Now it's time to construct our string. So it is going to be R string is equal to. So as we all know, strings are going to be immutable. So within the same string, we cannot do all our modifications. Modifications can be done on a string, but it will not be reflected in the original string. In order to make it possible, I mean the reflection of the updations, if we want to make it to be uh, 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 possible, what we need to do is we will have to use an expression like R string is equal to R string plus. So the operator plus here is used to do the concatenation operation. So R string plus, we will have to use chr, the function chr of the code that we calculated, and as per the condition of the problem statement, the string will be entered in lowercase. It must be turned to uppercase. So from lowercase to uppercase, the conversion can be easily done, that we know, we have seen very recently. For small letter a, the ASCII code is going to be 97. In order to get the ASCII code for capital letter A from small letter a, we need to do a subtraction. The subtraction by 32 should be done here. So 97 minus 32 will give us 65. So that way, for doing conversion from lowercase to uppercase, and especially for the alphabets I am talking about, the corresponding ASCII code of the small letter A or any other particular alphabet, it has to be subtracted by 32 in order to get the ASCII code for the capital letter equivalent of the given alphabet. So that's what I'm doing here. So char is a function, built-in function. Code we recently got. So code minus 32 I'm giving. Supposing the character entered is small letter a, then its ASCII code will be obtained here and it is stored in code. It is 97 basically. So it is stored in the variable called the code. So 97. 97 minus 32 is 65, which is nothing but the ASCII code or Unicode for the capital letter A. So this function character will return the corresponding alphabet for the ASCII code that is passed as input to this function. So that way we can get it here. So now the string will be turned from its lowercase to uppercase at the end of this for loop, once all the iterations of this for loop are exhausted. So here I am going to print the uppercase of the entered string is, the string is going to be, maybe I can print it in a new line. So I'll be printing it here, print of, it is going to be R string. So R string I'm printing it here. Now we can go for executing this code. F5. You can save it. Now it is asking me to enter a string. The string that I'm going to enter here as per the problem statement is computer with all small letters. Now it is turned to the same string with the uppercase letters. We can check it for a different string also. I'm executing once again. It is going to be hello. Now, yeah, again there is a problem here. The problem that I made is Since I gave a capital letter H, for this, while subtracting 32 from the ASCII code of the ASCII code for capital H, we will be getting this parenthesis symbol. But what is necessary here is we need to adhere with the problem statement, that is the inputs should be given in the form of small letters only. Let me execute this for one more time. So F5, this time I am entering hello. So it is giving me the output string with all capital letters, or the output is in the form of uppercase. So that way we can solve this problem of converting the given string from the lowercase to uppercase. One more thing I would like to share here is in case the problem is about doing conversion from the uppercase to lowercase, what we need to do is we will have to do an addition operation in place of this subtraction operation. So this symbol minus should be replaced with the plus symbol in order to perform the conversion from the uppercase from letters to the lowercase letters, that way. So let me now finish this video lecture at this point of time. For getting more and more videos about problem solving using Python programming, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Computer Engineering Made Easier. You can also press the bell icon for getting the notifications about the videos I am going to upload in the nearby future. Thanks for watching.